One of the common things that many of the students practice is, or even adults do, everything is being delayed. Delayed for no reason, but we would understand the science behind that in a while. But the main thing is when the deadline approaches, one day before the deadline, it could be a submission of an assignment, project, lab manual, examination, whatsoever, but we keep on delaying the things till the last minute. Now, why does this happen? The simple science says that if there is lack of motivation, there is no clear objective why I need to do so, and in those circumstances, the things are constantly delayed. Also, if someone feels that there is a fear that one could fail, someone would judge, in that circumstances also procrastination occurs. But what is a common thing, a common psychology we could say that governs it? So one thing which is very clear is a fear, a anxiety, a unknown thing that could happen. And because of that procrastination, what is done is everything is done at the last minute. Now when things are done at the last minute, things are haphazard. There is no proper organization. The performance is what could be at A grade comes at B grade. The simple logic is because you are not well prepared, sometimes you won't find proper equipments, you won't find your pen, pencil, rubber, sharpeners, etc. And you have to submit it in the morning. Now, in those circumstances, the performance deteriorates, and this deterioration further leads to next delay in next assignment. Now this becomes, we could say, a vicious cycle that never breaks. So in case you want to overcome this, what could be a right strategy? A simple strategy would be to break your task into smaller tasks, manageable tasks, and prioritize. This is something that has to be submitted by next week. This is something that has to be submitted in 10 days. And accordingly, you keep working during your other days. And this would ensure that your work gets completed and there is no last minute pressure or stress that is created. Also, sometimes it's a good idea to reward yourself for a small progress that you have made, and that reward could be in any form. I would play half hour extra today, as simple as that. And this would actually be a beneficial step to overcome that constant delays. And then what is important to achieve this? What is really important is to have a positive self-image, I can do that, and a growth mindset that I want to progress, I want to achieve what is next. And only when there is a growth mindset, this would be done. Otherwise, okay, I need to qualify this year, I would study the same thing next year, so what special should I do this year? That constantly would be happening. Try to learn from your mistakes. Try to have a growth mindset, and only in that circumstance you would stop unnecessary delays in life. Thanks for joining in. We'll be meeting next session. Thank you.